morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Right now we just got to our campsite. We're actually at Angeles Crest. It's not too far away from our house, which is good. But right now we have to go pay so we could stay here. I don't know where to pay at, so we're just gonna walk around with Tyson and take it from there. All right, so I guess it's a self-pay kind of thing. So I just put it in an envelope and then I deposit it here. So now it's time to unpack and set up the tent. Alright guys, as you can see, we finally finished the tent, but right now I want to talk about something very special that got sent to us actually, and that's going to make our camping trip that much better. So Jackery actually sent us two things to go camping with. One is a portable power bank and the other one is a portable power station. So I actually have a generator at home that I could have brought and used, but it takes gas and it's super loud and I don't want to disturb the peace out here, you know, with all the other campers. Alright, so I'm super excited to test this out, so let's open it. Alright, instructions in a little bag. Ooh.
Ooh, girl, that's nice. It has pretty much every like jack you would need, so that's cool.
It's actually really nice. And surprisingly, it's not too heavy. And what I really like about it is that you could charge it, like I said, using an outlet. You could charge it in the car, or you could use a solar panel. Unfortunately, I don't have a solar panel, but that's my next investment. Before coming to the campsite, we actually charged it at home, so it's at 100%, so it should have no problems charging everything we brought. Alright, so obviously before you use this, you should charge it completely, and once you decide which charging station you're going to be using, you press the button next to it, and once it turns green and the screen lights up, that's how you know the charging station is ready to be used. Alright, so I'm going to leave everything charging right now, and I think we're going to be going on a hike.
Alright, so we just got back to our campsite, and I don't think we're going to be doing anything too crazy today because one, it's hot, and also it's camping, so we're just gonna chill. Thank God we brought the charging station because we can listen to music, and if it dies, then we can just charge it. And I did want to say that we are going to put the link in the description for you guys, and also a 10% off coupon that you guys can use on this model. So yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing this, then go ahead and go in the description, and then you can use our coupon code and everything like that. I do recommend it, especially if you are very outdoorsy, because it is very, very handy. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this. We're gonna listen to some music. What the hell are you doing?
Killing time.
Killing time. Yeah, the campsite we picked is really beautiful. Like the scenery is really pretty. But there's not much to do. There's no like activities or anything like that. At least in Big Bear they had like... He just fell. I wish I got that on camera. At least in Big Bear there were like more trails and stuff like that, so but it's fine. We're only here for a day. We're just gonna chill out, listen to some music.
You guys can't expect much, it's camping.
Yeah. Tyson and I are gonna stay in the tent for a little bit, huh, Bubblars? All right, we got his little bed, so maybe he'll take a little nap, huh? We got some time to kill. Hi! He loves it, huh? Much better in here than outside, huh, Bobbers? Whoa! So we got a whole setup. We got some food, some Wawas, his toy in his bed. Wow, you're spoiled. Whew. That was a nice little nap. Come on, Tyson. Alright, so we just took a little nap because it was like 80 degrees out, like for while we were taking a nap, so we kind of just wanted it to cool down. So now I think we're gonna cook some of the meat that we brought and we're gonna eat because we're hungry. Good job.
Thank you.
Nice. 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 Yum. Alright, so we're not gonna cook in this. We're actually gonna put some foil down on top of this thing that goes over the fire. And we're just gonna put a few pork chops at a time. Alright, so we got most of them done. We're gonna chow down. We have a few more cooking back there. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Alright, so that was good. We finished that.
Ooh, we got steaks next.
What, right now?
No.
Oh, I was like, damn.
Unless you're down.
No. Tai didn't finish eating his food, unfortunately. Huh. Little stinker.
Alright guys, so we just made it back to our campsite.
We went on a little walk and saw the sunset and it's still beautiful. And now we're gonna make the bed before it gets super dark and then we have to use the light. So we're gonna go ahead and make the bed right now. Goodbye, Tyson. Bye. Where'd you go?
Alright, so since that is all done, we'll probably just start a fire, hang out by the campfire, and then go to bed. Oh, now you all fun, huh?
Where's his toy? Grab his toy. Oh, what is this?
Papa.
Oh my god. Oh. Can you hear him out there? Alright, so we have a fire going, but it is still pretty dark, especially in the tent. I'll show you guys through here. So, fortunately, we bought something yesterday that is freaking awesome and I'm super excited about.
Did someone say it's dark?
Oh my god! You literally can't see anything else. Okay, there we go. It's so bright and it was only $24. Like, what the heck?
What are you doing, Tyson? Why are you chilling like that?
Comfy. You're gonna make him get down.
No, look at him. He's comfy.
No barking. He's trying to do it quietly because he knows he's gonna. Hey, no.
So now I'm gonna make the steaks. Ooh, that looks good. A little sticky. That's okay.
Alrighty, the food is done. Well, the steaks, right? They're steaks. Steaks are done. And they look delish. Take a little gander. Oof. Yeah, girl.
I guess Tyson will be joining us for dinner.
He's barking, so I like rather him not bark. Oh, that's good.
Good morning, everybody. Sadly, it's time to leave, so we're gonna take down the tent right now and head on home.
Alright, campsite is completely clean. Trunk is packed. Let's go home. home now and I am thankfully gonna take a shower. My face is even dirty, and this morning I woke up and my hands were like completely black, so I'm very excited to wash all of this dirt off of me.
Alright guys, so we just got home. Winter actually hopped in the shower and I'm gonna go to the grocery store with my grandma to get ingredients for the chilaquiles.
Alright, so that shower felt great. Robert just went to the store with grandma and he just got back with some groceries. What
Try
is
it.
this?
Chicharron?
Oh, that one. Yeah.
Yes.
I also have it. Yeah.
Mmm. Oh, that's so good. Alright, so they went to the store because grandma's gonna teach me how to make chilaquiles. I think we already talked about this,
Yeah,
but
sorry guys if you guys see this. It's pretty gross. It was a pimple, but my stupid ass had to pick at it and now it's a scab, so
well, that's
my
what happens.
apologies.
So we're gonna make that now and I'm very excited. I think Robert's more excited.
Oh yeah, man. So to make chilaquiles, we have tortilla, eggs, salsa, beans, cheese, onion, and don't forget the protein. We need chicken.
Really good?
That's good.
Good, I'm glad. Because you're never getting it again. I'm just kidding. Look at his face. He's like, what?
Alright guys, it's been a couple of hours and that was probably one of the best breakfasts that I've had in months. And now we're going to Big Five because my mom and my stepdad actually threw out my bench to do bench pressing, and I kind of need it to work out, so I'm gonna go get one.
So
yeah, that's true.
it makes sense for them to throw it away.
But yeah, that's where we're headed right now.
All right, so we got the bench. Can't really see it. Just looks like that, so I bet he's really excited.
Now I can work out.
Yep, there you go. Okay, we just got home and we're gonna go ahead and build the bench. So the frame is all put together, but before we put on the cushion part, Robert has to tighten everything. Nice. Sorry guys, it's pretty dark out here, but it is done. Nice. Nice. We're just putting in the little foot thingies. So now Robert's mom is making enchiladas, so we're just waiting for that and then we're gonna eat. This is what we've got so far. Looking good. So all she's putting in there is onions, chicken, and cilantro, and then a bunch of cheese. Robert wanted me to show how cheesy these are. All right, so I'm gonna start editing this vlog and
I'm gonna work out right now.
Yeah,
so that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye. Oh, what was that?